Welcome to Villa Medellin. I am Marwa's residence in the village of Nyabohanse. In this video, I will give you an exclusive tour of this multi-million villa. We will look at both the inside and the outside of the villa, and not forgetting the extensive rooftop. Stay with me and don't touch that dial. The villa is not yet fully completed. It is still under construction. This is the backyard and still the entrance to the villa. It is surrounded by a concrete trough that will protect it from floods in case of heavy rains. The terrain of the area is a bit steep. Now, let's step inside the house. This is the living room, with sliding doors that leads you to the patio. The bright tiles matches with the wall. This staircase leads you to the first floor and the rooftop. It is yet to be completed. This is a dining area with open plan kitchen concept. I guess this is where the kitchen island will be, where you can see these pipes protruding from the floor. This door leads to the kitchen balcony, where you can be able to see the backyard. The wall-to-wall and ceiling-to-floor sliding doors allows immense light inside the house. It also brings the outside feeling inside the house while dining. The living room has a double ceiling with large windows that lighten up the room. One thing that has not been compromised is the availability of natural light inside the house. The tray ceiling is nicely done, and the chandelier hangs freely to display its beautiful appearance. This door leads you to the backyard veranda. This is a temporary emergency room. However, the room can be used as a home office or a studio. This is a guest bedroom. Another bedroom adjacent to it is the visitor's cloakroom. Let's take the stairs to the first floor. There is provision for staircase lights, as you can see from the red wires protruding. This floor consists of the primary bedroom and the other bedrooms for family members and visitors. The view of the living room from the first floor is amazing. You can also enjoy the breathtaking view of nature from this level. Let's now head to the rooftop. Remember, the house is still under construction. At the rooftop, you are welcomed by a breathtaking, beautiful scenery of the sky and the forest. The view and the ambience at the rooftop is on another level. Now let's see how the house looks at night. You will be amazed. Thank you for staying with me. Until next time, keep exploring.